Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company that provides technical solutions across the world. So today we will be learning about financial modeling, but before going forward with our new topics which this webinar is arranged for, we are not here to talk about complex financial theories or big corporate jargons. We are here to talk about your business, your money, and your future. If you understand how much you are earning, how much you are spending, and how much you need to save or invest, you already understand the basics. So this webinar is all about making finance simple, useful, and practical. Whether you run a shop, provide a service, manage a household budget, or plan to start something of your own, we will take you through easy concepts like how to know if your business is growing, how to understand returns and profits in simple terms, and how to use financial modeling as a tool, just like a calculator, to make better decisions. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey where we will be connecting finance to your daily life with real examples, stories, and a lot of clarity. So let's begin this session of turning numbers into powerful business decisions. So in our previous sessions we have learned about common size statement, and it is of two types. Like first is our income statement and balance sheet, which we have already prepared in our previous session. So if you are new to this channel, so please start with the basics first and then come to this webinar so that you will get a clarity of what we are doing in our session, right? So in our previous session we have learned about our common size statement, where we have prepared multiple statements like income statement and balance sheet. So now we will be doing our intrinsic growth rate calculation in that particular sheet only. So let's move on to that particular. Right, so we have understood our common size statement which we have prepared yesterday. So how to do that and why companies made that, we have cleared all our doubts regarding it. So I will not take much time in this common size statement as we have completed in our previous session and it was crystal clear to you all. So let's move on to our intrinsic growth rate. But before making intrinsic growth rate, what we will be doing, we will be making our raw financial statements. Raw financial statement in the sense we have made in our previous sessions that historical financial statements we have already made, then ratio analysis we have already done, forecasting is done. Now when we want our intrinsic growth rate calculation, what we will be doing, we will be making our raw financial statements. So what to do in that particular thing, we will be going again in our screener.in. I have taken company Eicher Motors and I will be sticking in that particular company only, and in my Eicher Motors I will be taking my balance sheet and I will be uncollapsing these all the heads, and I will be doing one thing. I will be starting with my December 13 and moving down, right, and Control plus C to copy, and then I will be pasting it over here. So like this you will get, if you don't click Control Alt and V, this is the format it will get copied from. So we don't want it, so we will do one thing, we will delete it and right, then Control Alt and V. If we want to paste, then we will have to convert it in text. Now it will look like this, right? So what to do next, we just have to do some formatting over here. So I have done formatting over here. Now I have to put my data over there. So what to do in that case, so I will be taking this data, not copy pasting, I will not copy paste it. First I will be removing these borders so that I get my work done easily, right? So my December 13th equity capital, how to link it, what we will be doing, we will be linking it like this. So our 27 is there and done. Then borrowings, it is asking us, so before moving to borrowings we will be copy pasting the same thing, but as we are doing financial modeling we will be linking our every single task which we will be doing in our statements making, right? So this is how our equity, capital and reserves are done. Now borrowings, so in our borrowings it is mentioned 5823, and before that we don't want March 25 because many data is missing, so we will be taking till March 24, and then we will be linking our long-term borrowings with our balance sheet. So it will be nil because there is no transactions in December 13. Equals to short-term borrowings, again Control plus C and drag it till the end, right? Then lease liability equals to this one, Control plus C and paste it, right? Then other liabilities it is asking us, so other liabilities we just have to calculate if it is giving us the same number. Till this it is giving 3829, yes, so we don't want this. So what we will be doing, we will be keeping it like this only, and equals to non-controlling interest, this Control plus C and March 24, drag it till the March 24, right? Then trade payables equals to, again going down this one, Control plus C and drag it till March 24. Again the same thing, advance customers March 13, Control plus C and drag it till the end. Now other liability terms, other liabilities item, we have to find it, right here it is, Control plus C and drag it till the March 24. Right now it is time to calculate our total liabilities. So what I will be doing, I will be making top border and also I will be making outside borders to bottom border also, right? So what will I do, alt and equals to, it will be taking all the data. So first we have to check, is it taking this data or not, and same work will be doing for this. Now fixed assets, so we will be taking fixed assets, land, again going down it is like this, Control plus C, and so we have taken our one data and then copy paste it till the other fixed assets. So for checking it, we will compare it by 1177 and 117, yeah, we are correct. Then gross block, it is asking us, so equals to moving down and done, Control plus C and drag it till the end. Now it is asking us accumulated depreciation, so for the same thing what we will be doing, so it is asking us accumulated depreciation, so we will be making it as equals to minus this, Control plus C and drag it till the end. Or we can do one thing also, as we have to calculate in our intrinsic growth also, we just do one thing, we will link it like this. Why I am linking it? Because I have done the formatting over here. Otherwise, if you guys want, I will do one thing also over here. I will take this whole data from here and will paste it over here, right? So we will get confused regarding this. So we will do one thing, we will take small portion of data and copy paste it over here, right? Now long-term borrowings, if we delete this particular thing, then it will show us error because we are linking it, right? So we will do over here, right? Again, no.